Hey everyone, welcome back to DIY with Dewey. So today we are working on our E200 build. If you saw part 1, you already saw that we built one out of an E100 Razor scooter. This is going to be a 3-wheeled inline Razor scooter. So what we're planning to do is put front suspension onto the scooter, 10-inch hub motor to the front. We'll put 2 more 10-inch wheels to the back, and it should give a pretty good handling and it'll look unique. But we're gonna go ahead and just disassemble it right now. We're gonna take it all apart and install some parts we have. Here's what I'm trying to make it look like. So I used a little bit of AI to help me design a new build for this. So we have a 10-inch wheel for the front, 10-inch wheel for the back. So this is an E300 wheel. And we're actually gonna do 2 wheels in the back. This is the other wheel. This is from the E300 front wheel. That's E300 rear wheel. And we can take out the sprocket. We're not gonna need the sprocket. So it's gonna look something like that. So you can kind of see what I have in mind for this build. But that should be pretty crazy. Here's the front fork we're using. It's gonna have front suspension. This is to fold down the neck of the handlebar. So we're gonna use this as well. Let's go ahead and get started. All right, so we're running into an issue with this. This axle is not wide enough to fit on there with it facing that way. So now we have to rotate this completely 180. is going to have a really long extension rear swing arm. It's going to be something like that. I think I want it further back like this. We're going to get rid of this wheel, and it's going to mount very close to that. All right, so I want to mount a headlight to this as well. That's pretty much it for today. We got the front end finished.